Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable a color filter shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. We have our color filter shortcut right here in our accessibility shortcut on bottom right corner of our phone. Someone set it up for us, or we did, and we don't want it anymore here. How to turn it off? We have to go to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have visual enhancements. Color filter options are here. And here is color filter shortcut. By simply unchecking this box, our shortcut is disabled, and now we have our shortcut turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.